Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. So today we got this pinless moisture meter, and this is basically to figure out if there is some water or moisture in your wall, and yeah, definitely is gonna do that. Well, I will show you that in a second. It comes in this little bag here, which is kind of handy and easy to use. And as you will see in a sec here, we are definitely gonna put that to use. So first off, we need to put in some batteries. We'll do that really quick. And then we will actually have a look. So we close that back up. And then it's ready to be used. Here it is. Green is good. And then it goes up all the way to red. As you see in the air here, nothing happens, so all good. But that can change. And I would say let's try that. I got a spot in my apartment where I'm not too sure what's happening there. And that's why I picked this up here, to be honest. So give that a quick try. Up here you see there's like these nasty looking spots. They were there when I moved in here. My landlord said it's nothing, and I just wanted to make sure. So let's actually go in here and throw that on and see what the little device says. Let's scan, and it says apparently there is nothing happening here. So yeah, I guess this works. It shows us how dry the air is. Also changes in the air to a little percent here. Yeah, definitely decent. I can't measure myself. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, that's interesting. It sees that there is some water in my skin apparently. Oh, that makes sense. Alright. Well, I'm Badger, I'm out. I will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys.